Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Yes. First of all, we have completed our exercise 4.5, right? Yes. Last time we have completed our exercise 4.5. Now we go ahead with the new concept, that is application of the determinant. Now the first application of determinant, that is the use of determinant, is solution of the system of linear equation by using inverse of the matrix. Matrix and determinant का use the solution of the equation में होता है. The linear equation, how to solve the linear equation, that is by using the determinant and matrix. So, how to find the inverse of the matrix, वो हमने देखा था in the last lecture. So, you know that how to find the inverse of second order and third order matrix, that is 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrix, right? How to find that adjoint, how to find the determinant and how to find the inverse. By using that inverse, now how to find the solution of linear equation, that is our topic today. वो इनवर्स का यूज करके अब हम सॉल्व द इक्वेशन करेंगे. नाउ हियर इज द लीनियर इक्वेशन इज a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to d1. Here is d2, some constant is there, it may be 0 or may not be. a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to d3. These are our linear equations. Now if you want to solve this linear equation by using the matrix and determinant, so first of all we will take A is equal to, we'll follow the matrix A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3 and C3. This is our first matrix that we will take the coefficient. Coefficient का एक matrix बना. Now x दूसरा matrix, that is x, y, right? And here it is, z is not given, right? Only so here c1 z ले लेते हैं. This is three equation linear pair है. So x, y and z. So that is our cot x. And we will take b is equal to d1, d2, d3. Because the constant is given d2, d3, so c1, c2, c3 may not be constant, right? So we'll take that z. So our equation will be a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. That is our linear equation which we want to solve. Coefficient a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3 will take in one matrix, that is A. X, y, z is the variable in each three, that is our matrix X. B is the constant given d2 and d3. Now this is order 3 by 3. Here X is 3 cross 1. It is again 3 cross 1 is the matrix. Now we will say that from this equation we can say that Ax is equal to B. If you multiply this, you will get a1x plus b1y plus c1, a2x, b2y, c2z, a3x, b3y, c3z. That is our equation. So this equation is Ax is equal to B, that is given d2 and d3. So from this equation we can say that Ax is equal to B. Now both the side I multiply by A inverse. Like on both the side if I multiply by A inverse, then A inverse A into X, A inverse B. That is A inverse A is the identity. Therefore, we can say identity into X is A inverse B. Identity into any matrix is the matrix itself is B. So, if you want to find the inverse matrix, then what you have to do? अगर आपको ये X, Y, Z, what we want to do? Solution of the equation. Solution of the equation मतलब the value of X, Y, Z from this linear equation. So, if you want to find X, that is the value of X, Y, Z, what you should do? A inverse into B. A inverse पहले find करेंगे, that is the inverse of this matrix. What is the formula of A inverse that we have done last time? 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. And that's way we'll find A inverse, and then whatever is the answer is multiplied by B. That you will get the value of X. By using the inverse of matrix, now we can solve these problems. So, you just make a note, then we'll go on the examples, right? Now, first of all, we'll find here example 27. Here is solve the system of equation that is 2x plus 5y is equal to 1 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. Here only two pair of linear equation is given and you want to find it by using determinants and matrix. So what you will do is, first of all, A is 2, 5, 3, 2. Because it is only two equation, so that is a 2 by 2 matrix is there. B is x, y. And here is x, not b. And b is 1, 7. This is coefficient से जो determinant या matrix बनेगा, that is 2, 5, 3. X and y, only two equation is there. So only two variable is there, x and y. B, that is d1, d2. Here is there, constant. Now what we will do? We want to find this x and y. So हमारे पास formula है x is equal to A inverse B. First of all, we'll find the inverse. So that inverse find करने के लिए 2, 5, 3, 2 determinant find करो. 4 minus 15 is minus 4 minus 15 minus 11 is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Now, adjoint of A find करेंगे. We know how to write direct adjoint, right? So here, this is the 2 interchange the place, but both is 2, it remains same. Here you just change the sign, that is minus 5 minus 3. This is our adjoint. Now we will write A inverse is equal to into adjoint of A. So 1 upon minus 11, 2 minus 5 minus 3, 2. That is our A inverse. We want to find x, that is solve the equation. So here is, we have formula x is equal to A inverse B. Now, A inverse we have already found. Here is 2 minus 5 minus 3, 2 and B is 1 and 7. We want to multiply these two matrices. Here is 2, it is 2 cross 2 and this is 2 cross 1. This is equal, so we get the answer 2 cross 1. You know this, how to find the matrix product, right? Yes. Now, 2 ones are 2, minus 5 sevens are 35. Minus 3 plus 14. So minus 1 by 11, minus 33 and 11. So if 1 upon minus 1 upon 11 you multiply inside that, 11 threes are and 11 cut minus 1, we get xy is equal to, because x is our xy. So xy is equal to 3 minus 1. So the solution of this equation is xy is 3 minus 1. You got this answer? Yes? Okay. So that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1 is our solution. Understood? First of all, 2, 5, 3, 2. एक मैट्रिक्स में x is x and y coefficient and variable. ये है d1 d2 which is b. First we will find the inverse. उसके लिए पहले determinant find किया, adjoint find किया and then a inverse rate. X is equal to, if you want to find x, we have the formula a inverse b. So a inverse के साथ b को multiply किया, you get the answer. Understand the method? Yes, it is very easy. The same method for here is 2 equation is given. The same method for the 3 equation also.
What colors?
Example 28. Solve the following equation by matrix method. It is 3x minus 2y plus 3z is 8. 2x plus y minus z is 1. 4x minus 3y plus 2z is 4. Here is the given 3 equation now. So it will form 3 by 3 matrix, right? So first of all, A. 3 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 3. 2, 1 minus 1. 4 minus 3, 2 is our first matrix. Now x. Here is x, y and z. 3 variable is there. While b, 8, 1, 4. That is d1, d2, d3. Right? Here is 3 matrix we have formed. Now, first of all we have to find this inverse of A. For that, we will find the determinant of A. 3 minus 2, 3. 2, 1 minus 1. 4 minus 3, 2. That is equal to 3. 2 minus 3. Minus 2, that is plus 2. 4 plus 4 plus 3 minus 6 minus 4. 2 minus 3 minus 1, that is here. 4 plus 4, 8, 2 is 16. Minus 10 plus 3 is minus 30. So minus 33 plus 16. That is given minus 17 is not equal to 0. So we can say that A inverse exists. If A inverse exists here, so first of all we have to write the adjoint of A. Last time we have done how to find the adjoint directly, right? Yes, go through row wise, write down column wise. Okay? Yes. So first 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Here minus 2. 4 plus 4, 8. But we will write column wise and change the sign. Then minus 6, minus 4, minus 10. First row is over, that first column is over. Then here, minus 4, minus 9. Minus 4, minus plus 9, right? That is 5. But we have to change the sign, so it is minus 5. Then second, 6 minus 12, minus 6. Third, minus 9 plus 8, minus 1, but change the sign, 1. Third row, 2 minus 3, minus 1. Here it is minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, but change the sign, it is 9. Here 3 plus 4, 7. So this is our adjoint. Last period में, last lecture में हमने देखा था just how to find the adjoint and write the direct answer is there, right? Okay. Now we'll write A inverse is equal to determinant into adjoint of A. 1 upon minus 17, minus 1, minus 5, minus 1. This is our A inverse. Now if you want to find the solution of any matrix, any solution of any equation, then our equation X is equal to A inverse B. That is minus 1 by 17, minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, minus 8, minus 6, 9, minus 10, 1, 7 into B is 814. Now you know that this matrix product में here is 3 cross 3 and this is 3 cross 1. This is equal. So we get the answer 3 cross 1. Right? That is X is equal to here minus 8, minus 5, minus 4. Minus 64, minus 6, plus 36. Minus 80, plus 1, plus 28. So we will get, I will write here it is X is equal to minus 1 by 17. Here it is first हो रहा है minus 17. Second is minus 34. Yes. And third is minus 51. Now you multiply this minus 1 by 17 inside. So we will get 17 cut minus minus plus. 17 2s and 17 3s. So we have that right answer will be X equal to 1, Y is equal to 2 and Z is equal to 3 is our answer. You understand how to do it? First A लिखेंगे, X लिखेंगे, B लिखेंगे. Determinant and adjoint find करके A inverse find करेंगे. Then A inverse into B करेंगे. Matrix product is there. Matrix multiplication is there. You will get this answer. It is very easy and 2 या 3 marks में ये पूछा जाता है board exam में. So be careful. It is very important method. Okay? Yes. The sum of 3. Here example 29. We'll do example 29. Example 29, you have a textbook, so page number 135 we see on that. Here is given question, the sum of 3 number is 6. If we multiply third number by 3 and add second number to it, we get 11. By adding first and third number, we get double of the second number. Represent it algebraically, that is, you have to find the linear equation and find the number using matrix method. That means solve the equation. So first of all, it is given that sum of three number is 6. So here we will take, let three numbers be x, y, z. जो थ्री नंबर्स गिवन है वो है x, y, z. Now the sum of three number, that is x plus y plus z, is 6. That is our first equation. If we multiply third number by 3 and add second number to it, second number में third number multiply by 3 is added, we get 11. Third number multiply by 3 and added to second number gives 11. By adding first and third number, that is first and third number, we get double of the second number. Double of second number is 2y. So that our equation becomes x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. 2y get this side. So here is the three equation and you have to solve it by matrix method. So how to solve this equation? First of all, we'll write this matrix of A, that is of the coefficient. First में coefficient है 1, 1, 1. Second में x is not there, so we'll write 0, 1, 3. 1 and 3. Third में 1 minus 2, 1. X is x, y, z. B is the constant 6, 11, 0. So we get this three matrix. Now we will find the determinant. One plus 3 to the 6 minus 1, 0 minus 3 plus 1, 0 minus 1. 7 minus minus plus 3 minus 1, that is 9 is not equal to 0. Yes, you will get it 9. Therefore, if the determinant is not 0, it is non-singular and therefore A inverse exists. A inverse exists. Now we will find adjoint of A. So 1 plus 6, 7. First 7. Here 1, 0 minus 3, but change the sign. Third 0 minus 1, minus 1. Second row 1 plus 2, 3, change the sign. Here 1 minus 1, 0. Here minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, but change the sign. Then here 3 minus 1, it is 2. 3 minus 0, 3, but change the sign, minus 3. Here 1 minus 0, 1. Now this is our adjoint. A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. That is, determinant is 9. Here 7 minus 3, 2. 3, 0 minus 3 minus 1, 3, 1. Now x is equal to A inverse B. A inverse will get 7 minus 3, 2, 3, 0 minus 3 minus 1, 3, 1 into B. B is 6, 11, 0. 1 upon 9, 42 minus 33 plus 0. 18, 0, 0. Minus 6 plus 33, 0. Therefore, 1 upon 9, it is 9. 18, 27. So if you multiply inside, it is 1, 2, 3. So we will get the answer x equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. That is our answer. Right? इसके लिए आपको मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन आना चाहिए. If you don't know the matrix multiplication, you can ask me personally. You can call me, I will tell you how to do it. Okay? So that this is if the equation directly is given. Sometimes equation is not given, but it is given in the word problem. So first prepare the equation, make the form the equation, then solve it. You just write this 3 matrix, inverse and do it. It is a very easy method and mostly asked in the exam in the section B or C. So be prepared. Now this is example 29. Now we'll go ahead. In the exercise 4.6, all the sums will not do it here because they all are very easy. You have to do it of your own. We'll do something here. So that let's start the exercise. Four point six. Question number 1. Examine the consistency of the system of equations. So here it is. You know what is the consistent equation? So here note that whenever determinant of A is not equal to 0, then only you can find that A inverse and then only A inverse B करके हम x find कर सकते हैं. So that whenever determinant is not 0, the equation has the unique solution and therefore the equation is consistent equation. While determinant अगर 0 हो गया तो you have to find this adjoint of A into B. If adjoint of A into B is not 0, then the solution does not exist and system of equation is inconsistent. If determinant 0 हो गया, determinant of A is 0, then two possibilities then. Whether solution does not exist or infinitely many solutions. For that you have to find adjoint of A into B. If adjoint of A into B is not 0, no solution. Adjoint of A into B is 0, then infinitely many solution is there. So that this consistency अगर check करनी है, so first of all you have to find the determinant of A. In our first question, examine the consistency of the system of equation from 1 to 6. We do not want to find the solution, just find the consistency of the equation. So that here it is. This is given. So what you will do is first A 1, 2, 2, 3. That is our A, right? Yes. Now we do not write X, B anything because हमें solution find नहीं करना है, right? We just find. और अगर आपको लिखना है तो you can write that X and Y and B is equal to 2, 3. Okay. Now determinant 1, 2, 2, 3. 3 minus 4 minus 1 not equal to 0. Therefore, equation has unique solution. So, equation is consistent pair of equation. We know that if it is a unique solution, consistency is there. Then, second is given 2x minus y. Is 5. X plus y is 4. First we write A. 2 minus 1, 1, 1. That is the coefficient. X, Y. Here is 5, 4. First we find the determinant of A. 2 minus 1, 1, 1. 2 ones are 2. Minus minus plus 1, 3 is not equal to 0. Again unique solution. Consistency is proper. Now we'll find third. So x plus 3y 5, 2x plus 6y 8. So first we will find x, A, 1, 3. Write the coefficient. 2, 6. X, Y. Here 5, 8. Now if you find the determinant, 3, 2, 6. So what is 8? 6 ones are 6 minus 6, 0. अगर determinant 0 आ गया, then two cases that, so you have to find the adjoint of A and then multiply with B. So that adjoint of A. Change this 6, 1. Change the sign, minus 3 minus 2. That is our adjoint. Now we will find adjoint of A with B. 6 minus 3 minus 2, 1 into B. 5, 8. 6 5s are 30 minus 24. Minus 10 plus 8. So you will get you will get 6 and minus 2, which is not equal to 0, right? So that means adjoint of A into B is not equal to 0 hai, then the solution does not exist. So we can say that the answer is solution of the equation does not exist. So it is inconsistent equation. Understand? That is inconsistent equation is there. So whenever determinant 0 हो जाता है तो भी आपको adjoint find करना पड़ेगा. Adjoint of A into B is 0. Then it is infinitely many solution. If adjoint of A into B is not 0, then it is inconsistent. There is no solution is there. That is our question number 3. Do it, then we'll go ahead. Now question number 4. Now fourth. X plus y plus z1, 2x plus 3y plus 2z2, ax plus ay plus 2az 4. Here also you have to check the consistency, right? Now A 1 1 1, 2 3 2, A 2A. Then X is XYZ and B is 1 2 4. Now if we find this determinant 1 1 1, 2 3 2, A 2A. 1 into 6A minus 2A minus 1 into 4A minus 2A plus 1 into A minus 3A. So it is 4A minus 2A minus 2A. 4A minus 2A minus 2A, that means what? Oh, it is 2A minus 3A, like this. That is A, and A is not equal to 0. If not equal to 0 आ गया मतलब क्या? The system equation has unique solution and it is consistent equation. This system of equation is consistent. That is question number 4. So now the question number 5 and 6, you will do it yourself. Yes, if question number 5 is also 3 equation is given, so just you find this determinant. If it is not equal to 0, then what? Consistent unique solution is there. If this determinant equal to 0, then you will find its adjoint. Adjoint into B करोगे. If it is 0, infinitely many solution. If it is not 0, it does not exist. The solution does not exist. So therefore we can say that it is inconsistent equation. Understand? Yes. So question number 5 and 6 you will do it yourself. So how to check the consistency? If determinant is not 0, consistent pair of equation and infinitely many solution. If determinant equal to 0, adjoint of A into B is 0, no solution. Infinitely many solution, not equal to 0, no solution. Inconsistent equation. Okay. Now question number 7 पे जाते हैं. Solve the system of linear equation using the matrix method. Here is 5x plus 2y4, 7x plus 3y5. Now 5, 2, 7, 3 is A. X, Y. 4, 5. These are given. Okay. Now we have to solve this equation. So first of all, we'll find this determinant of A. Which is not 0. A inverse exists. We'll find adjoint of A. Interchange this principal diagonal. Change the sign of secondary diagonal. Now we'll find A inverse is 1 upon 1, 3 minus 2 minus 7, 5. That is 1 upon 1 is itself. So this is our A inverse. We want to find X. That is what the multiplication of A inverse and B. So what is A inverse? 3 minus 2 minus 7, 5. What is B? 4, 5. So if you multiply this, 3 4s are 12 minus 10 minus 28 plus 25. So that X is 2 and 3. So we get the answer X is equal to 2 and Y is equal to 3. So this is the solution. Is it easier for you? Yes. So this is question number 7 and question number 8 and 9 is the same, which you will do it yourself. वो आप खुद करेंगे by this way. It is a 2 by 2 matrix and so 8, 9 and 10 is the homework. Question number 8, 9, 10. Do it yourself. If you don't get the answer, you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll do it here, right? So now we'll go on the question number 11, right? Yes. मैं यहाँ नहीं कर रही हूँ, but आपको continuity में question number 8, 9 and 10 करने होंगे. That you keep in mind, right? Okay. Now question number 11 is 2x plus y plus z is 1. X minus 2y minus z is 3 by 2. And 3y minus 5z is 9. So if it is 3 by 2 आपको ऐसे ही रहने देना है तो भी चलेगा. But I want to do कि ये fraction निकल जाए. So ये 2 में यहाँ multiply by whole equation by 2. So remove the fraction. So that it becomes 2x minus 4y minus 2z is equal to 3. Right? Yes. Now, A is 2, 1, 1. 2 minus 4 minus 2. Here x is not given, so 0, 3 minus 5. X, Y, Z, 1, 3, 9. Now we'll find the determinant of A. Twenty-six twos are 52. Here minus minus plus 10 plus 6. It is 68, which is not equal to 0. Now we'll find this adjoint of A. So if you find the adjoint, here it is minus minus plus 20 plus 6, that is 26. Here is minus 10, but change the sign. Here 6. Minus 5 minus 3 minus 8, but change the sign. Minus 10. Here 6, but change the sign. Minus 2 plus 4, 2. Here minus 4 minus 2 minus 6, change the sign. Minus 8 minus 2 minus 10. This is adjoint. So now we'll find A inverse is, that is 1 upon 68. This is as it is रहने देते हैं. Now we'll find x is A inverse B. 1 upon 68. 26, 8, 2. 10 minus 10, 6. 6 minus 6 minus 10 into B. B is 139. Is 1 upon 68. 26, 4, 18. 10 minus 30, 54. 6 minus 18 minus 90. 1 upon 68. This addition is 68. Here 64 minus 30 is 34. And here it is 108, that is 102. Minus 102 is there. Right? Got it? Or any mistake is there? We'll check it first. Then go ahead. This is our question number 11. Yes. Okay. So now our answer will be, check करते हैं. It is 1. If you multiply, this is 34 into 1 by 68. 1 by 2. 102 into 38. 38, that is here it is 51 twos and 19 twos. Something is wrong here, right? The answer of this is minus 3 by 2. So our adjoint of this is adjoint is 1 minus 2, this is last, minus 8 minus 2, it is right, minus 10. 4 minus 2 minus 6, okay, good. So 6 minus 18 minus 90, 139, okay, so it is right, and last is 6 minus 12, so it is 102. So the answer is minus 3 by 2. Oh, I'm sorry, it is 68, not the 38, right? Yes, 68 है, तो 51 and 34, so 17 twos and 17 threes, so it is 3 by 2, so all is right, no mistake is there. There is the mistake, मैंने यहाँ 68 की जगह पे 38 ले लिया था, that is sorry. So x is given here, so x is equal to 1, y is 1 by 2, z is 3 by 2, that is our answer of question number 11, right? Yes. Now question number 11 is for 3 by 3 matrix is there. Same way you have to do the question number 12, 13 and 14 of yourself. So question number 12, 13, 14 is homework. I want it, don't avoid that. You have to do it yourself. Okay? Yes. Now we'll go ahead on the question number 15. A is 2 minus 3, 5, 3, 2 minus 4, 1, 1 minus 2. A inverse. Find A inverse using A inverse. Solve equations 2x minus 3y plus 5z is 11. 3x plus 2y minus 4z is minus 5. X plus y minus 2z is minus 5. Now उल्टा दिया है. Here in the 1 to 14 question, the equation is given and you have to solve it by A inverse. Here it is same way. Question number 15 में you have to find the A inverse and you have to solve the equation. तो इसका A inverse find करना है. Here you see 2 minus 3 5, 3 2 minus 4, 1 1 minus 2. इसमें से जो कोएफिशिएंट का हम मैट्रिक्स बनाते हैं that is already given over here. वो हमें बनाने के बजाय वो दे दिया है. That's it. Otherwise all thing is same. Here in all the questions सिर्फ ये देते थे. यहाँ पे हमें A बना के दे दिया है. So we just write that x is equal to x, y, z. And B is 11 minus 5 minus 3. Now this determinant of A. Find out it yourself. खुद कीजिए आप. What is it? Tell me. Yes, you got it. Minus 1. I will not do now. Right? So that is not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. Now we will find the adjoint of A. So I will give you the 2 minutes. Find out yourself. Adjoint of A. So what is the adjoint of A is? Do it yourself. So it is, I will write direct answer. 0 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 9, 23. 1 minus 5, 13. That is our adjoint of A. Now we will write A inverse is here. So that is minus 1. Adjoint 0 minus 1, 2. -1 अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करो, 0 1 -2 -2 9 -23. We'll change the sign, that is our A inverse. We want to find A inverse, तो वो मिल गया. Now solve this equation, that is what? X is equal to A inverse B. So here 0 1 -2 -2 9 -23 -1 5 -13 into B. B is given here, that is 11 -5 minus. Find out the product and find out the answer of yourself. That is equal to 1 2 and 3. So we will get x1 y2 z3. That is our solution. So you know how to find the solution now, right? That is question number 15. Okay? Yes. Now question number 16. That is the word problem. That I will form the equation for you. You will solve it yourself. Do not do it here. So here, the cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is rupees 60. The cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat and 6 kg rice is rupees 90. The cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice is rupees 70. Find the cost of each item per kg by the matrix method. So here we will write, let cost of, what is it? Onion per kg is X rupees. Then cost of wheat per kg Y rupees and cost of rice per kg is Z rupees we will take. So now from this, अगर 1 kg की cost X rupees, then first 4 kg onion, 1 kg X, 4 kg 4X, plus 3 kg wheat, 3Y, plus 2 kg rice is 60. 2 kg onion, that is 2X, 4 kg wheat and 6 kg rice is 90. The cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg and 3 kg rice is rupees 70. Then you have to find the cost of each kg per item. तो हमें cost of 1 kg onion, 1 kg wheat and 1 kg rice find करना है. That means you have to solve the equation and find x, y, z. So here we will get A is equal to 4, 3, 2, 4, 6, 6, 2, 3. X, Y, Z. B, 60, 90, 70. Solve this equation yourself and get the answer. It is very easy, that we have done already many times, so we will not do it here. So you know that by using the inverse of matrix, how to solve the linear equation. If determinant of A is not 0, then only you will get the unique solution and then only it is consistent equation, otherwise not. So this is a very easy method to find the inverse. You know how to find the adjoint, inverse and how to solve the linear equation now. Okay, so here we end our chapter. That is all the topics is covered now. This is our last topic. Now in the next lecture, this is the end of exercise 4.6. In the next lecture, we'll go ahead with some miscellaneous examples and miscellaneous exercise. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe. Stay home.